colleague General V.K. Singh ji, my colleague in the Parliament Satyapal Singh ji, Honorable MP and Dr. T.R. Parivender ji, who is a founder Chancellor of SRM Institute, Dr. Ravi Vanchmuthu, Pro Chancellor, Dr. C. Muthwit Shelvan, Vice Chancellor, Dr. S. Vishwanathan, Director, and distinguished dignitaries, respected deans, HOD, faculty members, academic staff, parents, invitees, and all my dear students. I am really happy to interact with you. And first of all, I am giving you all of you to my best wishes from my core of heart. For you are receiving today bachelor degree, master degree in the convocation. At the same time, I am receiving the delete from the university. That is also a great pleasure and pride for me. Actually, this is my fifth delete. And actually, I have received 3 deletes because of agriculture science, which is my best subject. And I received the degree for agriculture science. It's really one of the controversial things in my life that I'm doing maximum efforts in agriculture, having opportunity for working for infrastructure, and that is to be, I don't feel that it is a contradiction, but my basic interest is in rural economics and agriculture. Today, I am really happy that you are talented people who are here in this institute. The institute which is rated one of the prime institute in the world. And that is also a great pride for all of you and equally for me. I am giving my all best wishes to the university, the chancellor, vice chancellor, the professors for making this excellent university and their teamwork and their efforts for making this university pride for the country. I am really happy, and particularly I am giving my thanks to Dr. T.R. Parivender for really creating this university, and that is a great contribution to the society and to the nation. Today, dear students, I always believed in 2 philosophies. One important philosophy is knowledge as a power. The innovation, entrepreneurship, skill, that everything science, technology, research, skill and innovation, we name it as knowledge. And conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future. And this is the very important philosophy where your contribution is very important. The dream of our Prime Minister to make Indian economy as Atmanirbhar Bharat. And for that reason, we need to reduce our import and increase our export. We need to find out the way out. What is to be the need-based research and the region-based research. On the point of that, if you can make the research, then it can be useful to create more employment potential in that area and which can eradicate the poverty and will make our country as Atmanirbhar Bharat. So today, knowledge is a power. And knowledge is a capital. The resources and technology is very important. But your vision and your knowledge is more important than that. You can donate eye, but you cannot donate vision. The lack of appropriate vision is very important. Anywhere in any project, you need 4 important things. One is proven technology. Second is economic viability. Third is availability of raw material. And 4 is marketability. Without that, you cannot write success story. And today in our country, in our GDP growth, the 12% of the contribution is coming from agriculture And when the population involved for that is 65 to 70%. 22 to 24% in manufacturing sector and 52 to 54% from the service sector. So this Indian economy, if you want to make it #1 economy in the world, what exactly our line of direction, what exactly our vision is very, very important. And people like you, your role is very important. The futuristic planning and futuristic technology is very important. I am working particularly as a transport minister. And today in my ministry, it is a big challenge and problem for us that we have an import of fossil fuel of 17 lakh crores. You are all using petrol, diesel, gas economy is really a big problem for the country. The 85% of the fossil fuel we have imported. It is a great challenge with our researchers and scientists that how we can make the alternative for the fuel. From 2004, as an agriculturist, I am working on this whole mission. And that is to be one important mission is the diversification of agriculture towards energy and power sector. It can possible now. Now people are accepting that. When I started talking about this alternative fuel in 2004, at the time it was very difficult for me to convince the people. But today, what is the situation? We have sugar surplus. Presently, your area is covered by the sugar cane. We have the production of 280 lakh ton of sugar. We have requirement of 280 lakh ton of sugar, and our production is 360 lakh ton of sugar. Every year, 80 to 60 lakh ton surplus is there. Total sugar industry economy is collapsed. The rates are increased, and the rate of sugar is fixed. Because of the production in Brazil, now we cannot make export of our sugar. Last year we have good export. So today we have sugar surplus, we have corn surplus, we have rice surplus, we have wheat surplus. And that is the reason that we have started a new policy for making of ethanol a green fuel. We are making ethanol from molasses, C molasses and B molasses. Then we are making ethanol from sugarcane juice. Now we are making ethanol from rice, corn, wheat, food grains. And even we are making ethanol from parali, rice straw, and from bamboo. In the Panipat, the Indian Oil has started the project. That in area, I don't know whether you are making burning of that rice straw, parali. And that is one of the reasons for pollution in Delhi. So today we have a project in Panipat. That is, they are making 1 lakh liter of bioethanol per day and 150 ton of biobitumen per day from rice straw. Today I am giving you a project. I will request the Honorable Vice Chancellor and the people that we have got a proven technology where we can make biobitumen from rice straw. Rice straw is a waste material. I am telling to the other important philosophy to the people that is conversion of waste into wealth. No person is waste, no material is waste. It is depending upon the appropriate technology and appropriate vision of the leadership that you can convert waste into wealth. So today we have got the technology from Central Research Organization, Faridabad, and which is approved by CSR, that with a tractor molded unit, we can convert rice straw into biobitumen. 70% bitumen and 30% biochar, that is organic carbon. In the sugar cane, it is experienced everywhere in the country. I have got my sugar cane production 85 ton per acre. When the organic carbon percentage is 0.80, you will get the production of 100 ton per acre. So you can make that biochar, organic carbon and bitumen from the waste material of parali, that is of rice straw. So now you just understand the scenario. We have the requirement of, in the country, of bitumen of 80 lakh ton, out of which only 50 lakh ton is available from the refineries. So 13 lakh ton of bitumen import is there. If the farmers in Western UP, farmers in Haryana and Punjab, if they take the tractor molded unit and by using parali, and they can convert into bio-bitumen, the 30 lakh ton of bitumen my ministry is ready to purchase. This is the idea of conversion of waste into wealth. This is our import. The import substitute, cost effective, pollution free and indigenous. These are a lot of many things are there. And that is exactly the important thing where we need-based research, region-based research. And that is this very important thing which you need to concentrate on that. I feel that at the same time in the automobile industry, you can make the study. This is one of the good example. The size of our automobile industry is 7.5 lakh crores, out of which today our two-wheeler manufacturers like Bajaj, TVS and Hero, the 50% of their production of two-wheeler, the export is there. So now my idea as a transport minister to make this industry of 15 lakh crore. Now presently this industry, the auto industry, automobile manufacturing industry, is giving jobs, employment potential of 4.5 lakh crores. This is the industry which is giving maximum GST to the state and central government. This is the industry which have maximum export. And if we can make this industry of 15 lakh crore, it means that we are going to create 5 crore new jobs. We need the economy which is going to create more jobs. For jobs, we need industries. With industry, when we get capital investment. And because of the capital investment industry, we will create employment potential. And creating employment potential, we will create per capita income is increased because the people will get employment. And that is the way of eradicate the poverty. That is the way of creating wealth in the country. And that is the important reason where we need to use all type of research. Research is very important. I always talking to the people that we have got the Institute of Management, Institute of Human Resources, Institute of Financial Management. But the entrepreneurship is more important than everything. I am not an engineer. Many of the people, they have a perception that I am an engineer. I am not an engineer. Because I got offered to construct Worli-Bandra ceiling project in the sea in Mumbai. Probably you see that. It's one of the flagship projects in the country. And I was working on that project. At that time, lot of things we have taken a lot of decision. And the most important mission which is how we can save the cost. How we can reduce the cost of construction and how we can improve the quality of construction. I will give another good project that presently we are formulating the policy for using of municipal waste in road construction. I am very sorry. At a time when I was constructing this Delhi-Meerut Express highway, I don't know the geography of your area. I tried my level best to use all garbage of Gazipur to under this or for using this in the road construction. But I taken many meetings. There was lot of problem. My ministry, my engineers were telling me, sir, segregation of solid waste is not our mandate. And so that was the problem. So the urban ministry was not ready to finance. But presently we are using 20 lakh ton of municipal garbage in road construction in Delhi and in Ahmedabad rural project. So now we are formulating the policy that how we can use the solid waste, municipal waste, particularly in the road construction. At the time the waste tire, importing waste tire was banned. I requested the Environment and Forest Minister that recycling industry is very important. So you should give the permission for that. And today we are importing the tires from abroad and making rubber powder from that. And we are using 15% rubber powder in the road construction in bitumen. The rate of bitumen is 50 rupees per kg. and the rubber powder rate is only 25 to 30 rupees per kg. But adding rubber powder into bitumen, it improves the quality of road construction. So today, this type of, now we can use plastic. The waste plastic is a big problem. We can use waste plastic in road construction. We need to find out the alternatives for steel. The glass fiber steel is the future. I'm just telling you that one of the important technology. Now here, the metro construction was there. Now distance between the two pier in India, it is only up to 40 meters. But in Malaysia and Singapore, they have got the technology that they can increase the distance from 40 meter to 120 meter. It can reduce the cost of this all metro and everything by 30 to 40%. What they are doing, the beam which they precast, they are using steel fiber. And that is the reason the strength is increased. So by the technology, you can save the cost. I'll give you the example. I was in Assam. At that time, Hon'ble was the chief minister. And I was for his campaigning for his MLA constituency in what it called in Brahmaputra, Majuri Island. So I was there. And the Hon'ble was pressurizing me to declare a breach between the Assam border to Majuri Island. And that was just like a sea. So he many times in the helicopter, he so argued me many things. And after lastly he argued me, Nitin, you've taken me in the party. If you are not going to declare this breach, I am going to lose the election. I am chief minister, then you decide what you like. When I am going to Majuli Island, I was confused. But I decided to declare it. And I declared that we will construct the bridge. After coming to Delhi, my DG Director General Technical was giving me the information that the cost of the bridge is 6,000 crore. I said, how is it going to happen now? So after that, we worked very hard. We have taken the advantage of this technology and float the tender. Can you imagine what is to be cost, which is quoted by UP Bridge Corporation, was 680 crore. Because of changing in the technology, this can happen. So your role in research and technology is very, very. I am telling you another example of Jojila Tunnel. In Kashmir, in Kargil, our Honorable General V.K. Singh is more expert than me because he was, that area, that Kargil area. So actually it is a very, very difficult area because -8 degree temperature is there. So we are constructing Jojila Tunnel, which is supposed to be the longest tunnel in Asia. 4 times tender was invited and it was rejected. And now the file was put up again take it for 5th time. And the estimated cost was 12,000 crore. I am not an engineer. I know for a whole year we appointed the expert people, and I had taken one of the experts from Maharashtra who was a managing director of SCC, Mr. Gadkari, and he was working with me in the tunnel construction in Mumbai-Pune Express Highway in Lonavala Khandala area. So I know him, I taken him as my advisor. And after 1 year, we have taken a lot of workshops. Association was the institution from Delhi, commercial organization. We collaborate them, and we have a workshop on Uber, Sheraton. Many times we discuss the thing, we change the policy, we use the new equipment, and after that we go for the tender. Can you imagine? The cost of the project was 12,000, and we received the tender with 5,800 crore. We saved 5,000 crore on the project because of the tender. This is the role of research. The new technology, new innovation, new futuristic technology, successful practices in the world. That is exactly the need of the hour. I will request you 2 things about my department. We are working on hydrogen. And hydrogen is the futuristic fuel. अभी हम लोग ऊर्जा को आयात कर रहे हैं, हम ऊर्जा को निर्यात करने वाला देश हमको बनना है। our farmers, presently they are Annadata. We want to make them Urjadata. And people like you here, people are all, that sugar cane, the wheat, rice, everything is there. So this is the institute. If you can make the research, you can make miracles. So today, hydrogen is of three types of hydrogen is available. One is making hydrogen from the coal, we name it as black hydrogen. Making hydrogen from petroleum, it is a brown hydrogen. And making hydrogen from biomass and organic waste and water is a green hydrogen. I have got the car. Car is from the Toyota, running on hydrogen. The name of the car is Mirai. In Japanese, the Mirai word means the future. So you can make hydrogen from water. You can use the wastewater. Everywhere the water is available in Uttar Pradesh. Just 2 days before I was telling to Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh that you are the luckiest people because you get water anywhere immediately. In my farm, at least 450 feet or 500 feet going into the detail, then we will get the water. So UP everywhere water is available. And now we are the #1 manufacturer of electrolyzer in the world. I got appointed to inaugurate the factory in Bangalore. So the cost of the electrolyzer is only 1,20,000, 1 crore 20 lakhs. And by taking that electrolyzer, we can convert that water, we will get hydrogen. We need to compress that hydrogen, we need generator. And now I am trying my level best by in place of diesel, we will use ethanol. It is a biofuel. The rate of ethanol is 60 rupees per liter and rate of petrol is 120 and diesel is 110 rupees. So as compared with the petrol, diesel, the 50% cost of the ethanol. So with that generator on ethanol, we can compress that hydrogen and we can take it to car, truck, bus. Even now we have got the technology from Ashok Leyland and Tata. Even the IC engine, we can use hydrogen. Hydrogen we can use in the railway, we can use in aviation, we can use in chemical factory, pharmaceutical factory, steel factory. We don't need coal and other things, fossil fuel to import. So hydrogen is a clean energy. And we have a mission. The Prime Minister has given special priority for hydrogen mission and having the provision of 19,000 crore. So my suggestion is you should concentrate on the research on hydrogen. It is the fuel for the future. What we need, that how we can reduce our import and how we can increase our export. That is the reason that we should understand what important research we need. The need-based research, the region-based research. What are the availability of raw material available in the area? We can make the research on that line. We can make green hydrogen from bagasse, rice straw. We can use biotechnology for increasing of biomass and we can use that biomass for making of hydrogen. In Assam, we are making ethanol, bioethanol from bamboo. The waste land can be used for plantation of bamboo. I just now see now the road in Delhi, Meerut highway. Now I am in the mission that we want to plant bamboo trees there. We want to make green roads. Ethics, economy, ecology and environment, these are the three important pillars of the society and the country. Ecology and environment is very important. We are facing our health problem because of water pollution, air pollution and sound pollution. This is the appropriate time that we need to find out the way out and alternative that how we can reduce the pollution. And the 40% of the pollution is because of the fossil fuel in the transport sector. So we are making tractors, now we can make bio-CNG and bio-LNG from Parali. I have got my own tractor converted on bio-CNG and you 5 ton of Parali, rice straw, giving 1 ton of bio-CNG or bio-LNG. We have got a lot of plants now, this can be possible. It is import substitute, cost effective pollution. Now we have got the trucks on electric. We have got the buses available on hydrogen and electric. Lot of buses are there. In Mumbai, we are running best. I got appointed to launch double-decker electric bus. Just I am telling you the economics. For diesel bus, it takes 115 rupees per kilometer. and we received the tender for 5,500 electric buses. The non-AC bus rate is 39 rupees per kilometer, and AC bus rate is coming to 41 rupees per kilometer, and diesel bus rate is coming 150 rupees per kilometer. So in Bangalore, just I got offered to launch Volvo bus of 15 meter and with sleeper coach, so luxury on air suspension. Now this is the time we are making highway. We have business class bus now. So we are making the roads of international standards. I don't know, first time after the inauguration I am coming to on this road. Delhi Meerut, it was the first highway. We are just with the Satyapal Singh, I discussed with them. I remember when I actually in 2009 I am coming to Delhi as a president of Bharatiya Janata Party. I don't know details about Delhi. I don't have too much ammunition about Delhi at that time. I never want to come to the city. But unfortunately my destiny was here. So at that time I remember my memory that I got offered to go with this road. 2 hours I was fed up in the traffic. And today I was just experiencing the road was good. Really you are getting all benefit of that. But making this road, we are making the road now from Delhi to Dehradun 2 hours. We are making new roads. Delhi to Haridwar 2 hours. Delhi to Chandigarh 2.5 hours. Delhi to Jaipur 2 hours. Delhi to Amritsar 4 hours. Delhi to Katra 6 hours. Delhi to Srinagar 8 hours. Then Nagpur to Pune. Presently it takes 24 hours, but now we are planning it in 5 hours. Nagpur to Mumbai, 5 hours. Presently it takes 22 hours. Then Chennai to Bangalore, in 2 hours. So yesterday you are a member of parliament from Tamil Nadu, Maran, is with me. I was discussing with the road problem in Tamil Nadu. We are making that Bangalore to Chennai within 2 hours. Then Bangalore to Mysore, 1 hour. And now we are making the road for your convenience. The road starts from Manali. The Atal tunnel is there. Now going to Manali, it was taking 3.5 hours. In place of that 8 minutes, you can go with the Atal tunnel, passing through Manali. And coming to that road, we are making 4 tunnels and coming to Ladakh Leh. And Ladakh Leh, we are making new roads and coming to Jojila tunnel. And after Jojila, the Jairam tunnel, coming to Srinagar, and then Srinagar to Jammu, our highway, there 6 tunnels are there. And between there, near to Katra, you can connect to Katra to Delhi highway through Amritsar. Within 6 hours, you will come to Delhi. And Delhi, there is a connectivity to you to Delhi-Mumbai highway. The Delhi-Mumbai will be 12 hours. And by this highway, you can start and go up to the Surat. Then we are making the highway from Surat to Nasik, Nasik to Ahmednagar, Ahmednagar to Solapur, and Solapur to Kurnool. It's a new highway. You don't need to go for Mumbai and Pune for that. So direct, it is a connectivity from north to south. And going to Kurnool, it will be connected to Cochin, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Trivandrum, everywhere in the north, in the south. So you can be connected here from Delhi direct. You can go to Chennai by your car within 18 hours. You will be there. You are absolutely correct. The American President John F. Kennedy, his famous statement is American roads are not good. America is not rich because American roads are not good because America is rich. But America is rich because American roads are good. The prosperity is coming from the road. So at the same time, we are making now ropeway, cable car, vernacular railway. So our idea is your university can accept the challenge. We are meeting 2 days after with the scientific advisor of the Prime Minister. We are making e-highway from Delhi to Jaipur. The electric truck, just like a railway, bus will go on e-highway. Sir, we are spending 100 rupees on petrol. Then we are making flex engine. The flex engine means you can use 100% ethanol in place of petrol. And that Toyota car Camry, you probably remember, that car generating 40% electricity and 60% on bioethanol. the average rate of petrol will come 25 rupees per liter. It will change the total economics. It's going to reduce the pollution. The electric, ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, bio-LNG, bio-CNG, and futuristic hydrogen technology. So the people like you who are studying, who are making research, it is the time for you to make the appropriate research for the future. And the futuristic technologies are very important. Particularly I am in the agriculture area. I will request you, all of you, that you should concentrate on rural economics. How we can develop our agriculture. Now we are using drone. Just 4 days before I got appointed to inaugurate drone. Now we are making drone up to 200 kg. But now within a year, we will have a drone where I can come from my house to your premises by drone. The drone capacity will be 600 to 800 kg. It can be possible. We are making 670 roadside amenities where we are making heliports and drone ports. So the futuristic technology which are useful for agriculture, rural, tribal, and socio-economically backward area people, where we need to have more research on that. And that is exactly the need of the hour. I am really happy that your university is related to the science and technology. And the science and technology, the futuristic technologies, are the future for the country. You are the future of our country. Your intellectual contribution for the country which can make India Atmanirbhar Bharat. Your technology now in all whole world. Our software engineers are so reputed. In the whole world, they want to select Indian people for it. So everywhere the software engineers are well recognized and respected. All doctors, Indian doctors, well recognized in Europe and USA. So this is, we have got the young talented engineering manpower available in the country, highest in the world. And that is the reason why your future research, your futuristic technology, you will make Atmanirbhar Bharat. I'm just telling you the example. In the automobile manufacturing, our number in the world was 4. Now we bypass Japan and our number is 3rd now. And my mission is to make India number 1. It is a difficult task, but not impossible task. The most important thing is the transparency, time on decision-making process, honesty, credibility is the biggest capital of 21st century. The technology and resources are important, but at the same time, the good human being is equally important. The honesty, the integrity, the credibility is the biggest capital of the 21st century. Always believes on ethics. They value-based education system, value-based family system. The values are very important. That is the reason, that is the special strength for India. We need knowledge. We need successful practices in the world. We need to understand new knowledge in the world. At the same time, we have to base some scars, values, which are equally important for all of us. And that is exactly the future of our country. I am really happy to interact with you. I am seeing the future of India. Many people from you will become a good scientist, and your research can contribute to make Indian economy number 1 in the world. Today I am very happy and giving my special thanks to all of you and giving my all best wishes to all of you that in your life you will contribute not only for you but for the society, for the country, and you will make India super economic power in the world. The dream of our Prime Minister to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat, and the role of young talented engineers, young talented scientists, researchers. Your role is very, very important, very, very crucial, and very, very challenging. I will give you all my best wishes from my core of my heart. Thank you very much, Mr.